Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you MosqiShock Mosquito Trap Zapper Lamp. So, MosqiShock is a portable, rechargeable mosquito trap and bug zapper designed to help reduce mosquitoes and other flying insects indoors and outdoors. Now, according to the official website, it uses UV LED lights to attract insects, which are then eliminated by an internal electric grid. Now, the company says the device is chemical free, operates silently, and is safe to use around children and pets because it doesn't rely on sprays or pesticide. Now, it also includes a built in flashlight, making it suitable for camping, patios, bedrooms, and background gatherings. Now, using MosqiShock is quite simple. You first need to charge the device using the included USB cable and until the indicator light shows it's fully charged. Next, twist the top of the unit clockwise until you hear a click, which turns on the UV LED lights. Now, from that on, just place the device in the area where you want protection and allow it to run for at least like 2 hours. Now, according to the manufacturer, the UV light attracts mosquitoes while internal electric grid eliminates them. And the company also states that the device can help protect an area up to like 30 square meters. Now, the official website highlights features such as silent operation, USB rechargeable battery, portable design, and chemical-free insect control. Now, a removable collections tray, and an included cleaning brush for easy maintenance. The website also advertised discounts for up to like 62% off during promotional periods and includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. Pricing varies depending on the current promotion and bundle selected. Now, that's essentially how MosqiShock actually works here and what it is. Now, if you're interested in purchasing this product here, doing your own research is always recommended. Looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you make an informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. And this applies for any website or store you're buying online. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.